What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Joshua, from HTML with Joshua, and in today's video we will be looking at one of the basic fundamentals in HTML, that is links. So basically this is what we're going to look at right now. It is a normal web page which has a link that links up to the Google in this case. So we'll be looking at how to do this from scratch, so let's get right into the video. So to do this, first I've created a folder over here, and I've done the basic HTML structure, that is the HTML tag, title, and in the body what I've done is I've done a h1 tag which is in the center tag, that is basically it is in the center of the page, and h1 is the tag that makes everything bigger, so that's the biggest font that's there. So that is, I've written links over here. If you can see over here, that is shown over there in the edge, in Microsoft Edge in my webpage, in the big font. So I've done that over there. So basically now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a link. So if you go over here, I'll refresh this page, and we're gonna check. We're gonna see how we are gonna add this Google over here. So I'll just save this file and go over there, and I'll reload it, and there's nothing over here. So you saw a link that is linked to Google, and if you touch on it, you'll go to Google. We'll check how to do the same thing, but in this case we'll use YouTube. So now what the first thing that you need to do is you need to add this tag called as an h tag. That is basically an anchor tag that is helpful to create everything that's related to links. And in that we're going to add an href, that is basically where we enter our link that we have. So over there I'm going to paste the YouTube link, that is www.youtube.com, and then I'm going to save this, and this line of code that I wrote here will basically get the link, and it'll link the web page to the site, that is YouTube. So let's go to the edge. I need to save this, reload it, and after we do all these we need to name the link. So now if I save this, and if I go to my edge page and I refresh it, nothing will be shown because it has nothing that it can display the link on. Now the link is there in the web page, but it's not being able to see. So now we're gonna give a text so that it can be seen. So we will write something like YouTube. So over here what happens is that if I save this over here and reload it, it has a text that it can show on. So as you can see, without the text the link is not being able to display in the web page. So if I click on this, it goes to YouTube. So basically what happens is that I link my web page, that is this, to the YouTube's web page, that is this. So that is the thing, that is the simple thing that I've shown you today. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new, don't forget to smash that like button and also hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.